Page number 6. The problem of men, widows, remaining in the caste structure community is more important. It is more rare than widows, since the beginning of history. A man has more importance than a woman. Its dominance has been in every society. It has more reputation, due to the traditional superiority of the man. His wishes have always been respected. On the other hand, women have always been a victim of religious, economic, and social inequalities. In this condition, widows have not been treated the same as have been done with the remaining men, widows. Burning him with his dead wife is dangerous for two reasons. The first thing is that this cannot be done, because he is a male. Secondly, if this is done, then a strong person will disappear for the sake of caste. Now, to deal with it easily, two options remain. I can call them easy options because it is useful for society. No matter how important it is for the society, homogeneous marriage is even more important, and hence the solution should be such that can fulfill both these goals. In such circumstances, he can also be bound to be a widow like a widow to be a lifelong widower, or to do so. This solution is not at all difficult, because even without force, they can be self-committed, or they can go 4 steps ahead and follow the brahmacharya fast. But in view of human nature, such expectations cannot be easily fulfilled. In the second situation, it is possible that such a person can pose a threat to his moral principles when actively participate in the activities of the group. From the second point of view, although brahmacharya fast is easy in cases where it is successfully adopted, but still is not beneficial for the material happiness and prosperity of the caste. If he observes the brahmacharya fast in the true sense and renounces worldly pleasures, he would not be a threat to the moral values or homogeneous marriage of the caste, as it would have been on his worldly life. As far as material happiness and prosperity is concerned, the person living like a celibate is like a person who is burnt. There should be a prescribed number of members of caste to ensure effective cordial life. Imposing celibacy on the Vigras fails from both theoretical and practical points. It is in the interest of caste that he remained a householder. The problem is only that he should be made accessible to the wife from caste. Initially it has difficulty, because the ratio of women and men in castes is 1:1. In this way, there is no scope for anyone's marriage again, because when the circumstances of the castes are formed, the number of men and women is completely balanced. In these circumstances, to keep the widow in the caste, it can be revived by the girls who are not yet married. This is a possible solution for widows. Thus it will remain in caste. Thus their exit from caste and their number decrease will be prevented, and morality will also remain in a society of homogeneous marriage.